Well, hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I've got for you today a new glass to fit on a quite an old Aarrow stove. Aarrow fires look, and there's nothing wrong with the glass, it just can't see through it anymore, so we're going to change that. I've got some other bits to go in the stove as well, but I'll show you the glass. It's a little bit different on these Aarrow stoves. I'll take you through it, so let me just go and grab some gloves and I'll show you. So what you can probably see is some little clips, 4 clips on this one, and it looks like you take them out from this side, but what you do on these is you have to remove this aluminium frame thing here, and I don't know if you can see, but it's not it's curved, but it's not a very nice curve, and it's been off before this. You have to bend this down to remove it and get all the clips out, and then the glass comes out the front. I'm just going to grab a screwdriver to help me with this. There we go. So what I'm just going to do is manipulate the frame without damaging it. If I can. Awkward things these. It's a very sort of pliable material. There we go. And the like a little recess in the aluminium there, all the way around, and that catches in these little lugs here, and then you can lift it out, and now we've got access to these clips. I said the glass comes out the front, but I lied, it comes out the back. There we go. So you should just push these clips forward like that. Like that one. Go on, go on. There we go, and that one. There we go. So we'll save those clips, you see them? Put them up there. Seal's sort of newish. It's not pretty, but we'll I think it's okay. Let's see the glass. Can't see a thing really, and they go opaque and they get etched, so that roughness is on one side and this side's nice and smooth, sort of smooth, but that side is quite rough, so we'll get rid of that. New one here. Now I've not checked this, so I'm hoping it's the correct size. scissors aren't the best for doing this. There we go. I think that should do it. I hope you can see up here. Look forward. I'm just going to drop this back in place. Yeah, that fits lovely. And the seal, although looks a bit dodgy, it works. One thing that this stove or glass manufacturer do is use a little blob or something to stick the film on before they shrink wrap it, and it sticks to the glass, which is annoying, but it is what it is. So let's get these clips in place. Now it goes already. Like that. Like that. No, not like that. Like that. Okay, and get that under the mechanism for the lock. Slide them forward. Right, let me just do that again. The handles in that way. Okay, there we go. Let's do that again. Okay, that's those two. Let's lift it up and get these two. And they line up with the notches in the casting of the door. There, see those little notches? So now they're in, let's just make sure it's sitting down properly. There we go. Awesome. So I'll stand this glass up, this door up rather, slide the clips back. Can you see? They slide back onto the frame of the door like so, and that's what retains the glass on these Aarrow things. Simple, isn't it? Fiddly, but simple. So we need to get that back on. And that goes on there like that. Push that on. And then get it in here. Like that. And then bend it up. It's a strange way of doing it, isn't it? There's no screws. It's kind of good because there's no screws to snap, which they often do. Once the heat's been on them for years, so it's good in one respect, but this is a funny thing. Alright, so that is a glass replacement on one of these sorts of Aarrow stoves. There we go, just give that a little squeeze just to make sure it's on. Yeah, there's a bit of loose rope there. I'll sort that out when it's back in the house. There we go. Aarrow stove door seal. Awkward, fiddly, good in some ways, not so good in others. That's not going to come out. Excellent. Right guys, I'll close this video up. It's a quick one, so thank you for watching it. If you enjoyed it, please like the video and possibly subscribe to the channel for my next content, and I'll see you soon. Bye now.